Good morning, my lovely students. I am your math teacher S. Kiran. Welcome you all back to the another session of maths online classes. Students, I hope you all are doing well at your home and enjoying the online classes while doing your work. As a previous video, we have seen how to solve on basis of linear equation exercise number 7.2. But today is the time we will discuss about exercise number 7.3. See, so before beginning, as it is as usual, what you have to do? Simple is your headphones for the better listening and experiencing. Take out a textbook and get ready for the today's class. So, say students, you can see the questions which is mentioned on the board. Solve the following by transposition method. Students, I expect from everyone we should remember that transposition method. Do you know transposition method? What is transposition method? And verify your answers by substituting. Substituting means instead of. Okay. In the equation. Where? In the given equation. See how we will do. Transposition method, it means by transfer. What is this question is that 3s. Okay, 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. By transposition method we are doing. So 3s plus 2. It means what the numerical value is given that we will transfer after equal to. It means LHS into RHS or RHS into LHS. See, 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. So 3s, this 12 is constant, so that it will transfer to that side. What will happen? 0 minus 12. Why it will be minus 12? Because it is given in plus. So as it will transpose to other side, that will be minus. So 3s is equal to 0 minus 12 minus 12. S is it is a constant value, but it is variable. That is called literal. So s or 3 both are multiplication. So what will happen? This s will be remains stay this side, and this 3 will transfer to other side. What will be happen? It will be minus 12 by 3. Why it will be 3? Because 3 is in multiplication in LHS. That's why when it will be transferred to RHS, it will be division. So 3 for the 12 minus 4. What is the actual value of s is equal to? Minus 4. So students, it is your answer. But what the second question, that verify your answers by substituting in the equation. Now what the answers came, these answers you have to substitute in the given equation, and after that you have to check whether that equation satisfied or not. So see students, how it will be solved. S is equal to minus 4. What is the given equation? Equation is 3s. See, s plus 12 is equal to 0. See students, at the place of s is equal to what we will put? We will put minus 4, because we have calculated the value of s is equal to minus 4. So 3s, it means both are multiplication. 3 into minus 4. Now later on write as it is what is given. 3 into minus 4 resultant minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 12 plus 12 cancel. It means 0 is equal to 0. It means equation satisfied. It is verified. Okay students, it is verified. Are you getting my point? See, on the same way, next questions, how it will solve. After A, I am giving the question number D. Okay students, B and C, you try by yourself. So see, 5 by 2x is equal to minus 5. 5 by 2x, both are in multiplication. 5 by 2 is the numerical value and x is the literal value. So both are in multiplication. So when it will be transposed to RHS, what will be left? S will remain or stay in LHS, or that 5 by 2 will transpose in other side. So what it will be happen? Minus 5, it will be multiply, and it will be, what will happen? It will be opposite. Numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator. What will be the result? 5 cancel. Minus 2 into minus 1 into 2. X is equal to minus 2. Okay students, now how to check For checking, what we will do? What the value of x is equal to given or we have calculated, that the value of x we will put here. See, what is the equation? 5 by 2 x is equal to minus 5. See, 5 by 2. What is the value of x? Value of x is equal to minus 2. So, minus 2 is equal to minus 5. 2 to cancel. It means 1. Minus 1 into 5. Minus 5 is equal to minus 5. It means equation satisfied. For equation satisfied, simple, what we will do? We will do LHS is equal to RHS. This side or this side both will be equal. So we can say that equation or what the answers we have calculated, that is right. So, see students, question number after D I am doing F. Question number E, you do by yourself. So what the concept is there related to these questions or of this chapter, we will come to know. See, 0 is equal to 16 plus 4m minus 6. Now students, we can see in these questions already 0 is given in LHS or what the equation is given in RHS. So doesn't mind, you don't worry about it. This side no issue. Just how it is given, mention it. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m. See, m minus 6 is under the bracket and after that 4 is just out of the bracket. It means both are in multiplication. It means this 4 will multiply both. So 4 into m, 4m minus 4 into 6, 24. Students, see, 0 is equal to 16 plus 4m minus 24. 16 plus 16 is in plus or 24 is minus. Both are in constant value. So we can do plus or minus. It is in minus, it is in plus. Minus plus minus. When 16 will subtract from minus 24, then what will be the resultant? The resultant will be minus 8 plus 4m. Okay students? Now this constant value will come to this side, transfer to this side. What will happen? This is in negative, so it will be plus 8 is equal to 4m. Students, we can see 4m, both are in multiplication. So constant value will come this side. It means 8 by 4 is equal to m. M is equal to 2. Students, what we have calculated? M is equal to 2. Now, how can we check? So, we can check it. CHS we can check. Equation is that 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. Students, 0 is equal to 16 plus 4. What is m? M is equal to 2 minus 6. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4. 2 minus 4 minus 4. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into 4 minus 16. Students, see, minus plus minus. It is in plus, it is in minus. Cancel. 0 is equal to 0. Students, we can say this equation also satisfied. What the answers we brought, m is equal to, that is the right answer. Okay students? In the same way, now we are coming to the question number J, and what the questions left of this chapter, that's your turn to do. So see, we can say students 2x minus 3 is in LHS or x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is in RHS. You can see in both before equal to and after equal to, both places given the equation. So what we will do? We will transpose the numericals value. It means constant, or we will together with constant value or variables. So 2x minus 2x by 3 and x by 2 come to this side. This x by 2 transpose to in LHS. What will happen? Minus x by 2. Why? Because it is in plus. Is equal to. It is given 3 by 2, and when this 1 by 3 will transpose to RHS, what will be there? Plus. Why will be plus? Because it is given in minus. So students, now we will take LCM. What will be the LCM? 3 by 2, 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4x minus 3x is equal to same way 6 or 3 to the 9 plus 3 to the 6 2 4x minus 3x is equal to x by 6. We can write students here 11 by 6. Students, we can see here x by 6 is in division. If this x 6 is in division, so when it will be transposed to that side, then what will happen? X is equal to 11 by 6 into 6 can be right. So this 6 will be cancelled. It means we can say that x is equal to 11. X is equal to 11. How it will be checked? You can check, students. Check whether what we have brought the answer that is right or wrong. 2x by 1 by 3 is equal to x by 2 plus 3 by 2. Students, we have brought x is equal to 11. So we will put the place of 11 at place of x. So 2 into 11 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 11 by 2 plus 3 by 2. See, 11 by 22 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 11 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Students, we will take LCM. 2 into 3, 22 minus 1. Here also 2, 11 plus 3. Why? Because denominator is same. It is 21 by 3 is equal to 11 3, 14 by 2. Students, I hope we can check whether this question is coming right or wrong. See, everywhere what we have seen during the verification, we found that what the value of variables we brought, that makes satisfied. But here is making difference. It means we can say that this question is wrong. In that way, you can identify how to solve. You can check the solutions whether it is corrected or not. So, how it will be solved? How it will be solved so that this equation will be satisfied. Whether you can check once again. 2x minus 1 by 3. 2x minus 1 by 3 is equal to x by 2 plus 3 by 2. We can say 2 into 11 minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. It is completely wrong, students. Okay? So, students, in question number J, we can see 2x by 3 minus 1 by 3. We have seen just before that answers were different. So, that is the way that you can verify whether what you have questions solved, that is whether corrected or not corrected. Suppose to be there are no teacher, there is no answer set, then how did you come to that the particular questions you have solved, that is right or wrong? That is the way you can do. So we will check again whether it is correcting or not. See, 2x by 1 minus 3 in such a way we can take LCM also. What will be LCM? 3. 2x minus 1. Why? Because both denominator equal. That's why. It is also 2x plus 3. So students, this will come this side and this will come this side. What will happen? This will multiply by this equation or this will multiply by this equation. Okay students, because we are transposing the denominator. Okay. See, it means 2 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 into x plus 3. 4x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 9. This x will come this side and this 2 will go that side. 4x minus 3x is equal to 9 plus 2. Why? Because this is in plus or this is in minus. That's why it becomes plus or it becomes minus. X is equal to 11. Students, once again x is equal to 11. We can check. But whether it means somewhere we were doing mistake in the correction. We will check verification. So we will this time we will aware and we'll do 1 by 1. One step 1. Okay, see. 2x by 3 minus 1 by 3 is equal to x by 2 plus 3 by 2. Students, at the place of x, what we will put? 11. So, be careful. 2 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 11 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 22 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 11 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So denominator is equal. So what will be happen? 22 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 11 plus 3 by 2. 21 by 3 is equal to 14 by 2. 2 7 ja 14, 3 7 ja 21. Students, we can check 7 is equal to 7. It means this equation satisfied. Okay, students, we can say these equations are satisfied. All the answers are correct. Equations are satisfied. Students, so I hope that you have understood. So we will do question number 2, and rest of the questions it's your turn to solve. Students, question number 2, we can check. Construct the linear equation. Students, be careful. It's important. Construct the linear equation. Linear equation. Now, students, value is given and equation has to be made. M is equal to 1 by 2. Students, see, in this questions, value is given. In question number 1, what we have did? In question number 1, equation has given and we have to find the value. But here, value is given and we have to construct the equation. What will we do? M is equal to 1 by 2. Construct the linear equation starting with the given solution. Construct 3 beta. Construct 3 linear equation. M is equal to 1 by 2. Can you multiply? Multiply by 2 both sides. What will happen? M into 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2. 2 to cancel. 2 M is equal to 1. Okay, students? One equation is that. See. Next question, what will be there? Add 2 both sides. What will be happen? M plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2. What will be happen? M plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 4 by 2. M plus 2 is equal to 5 by 2. Students, answer may vary. Do you know why? Answers may be different. Because we are not knowing which people are taking the value of variables. Suppose to be I am doing multiply by 2. Then we got M is equal to 1. Suppose to be you are doing multiply by 4. Definitely answer will vary. Because equations, it is not has to brought the answer. It say answer is 1 by 2 and you have to make question. Question may ask by any way, any type of questions may ask. Okay. To ask the questions, it's depend upon us. What that questions answers will be 1 by 2. If you solve this one, then definitely answer will found 1 by 2. If you will solve this one, answer definitely will found 1 by 2. Okay, students. So it is all about exercise number 7.3. If any problems to construct the linear equations, so you can ask me. I will let you again so that you will come to know how to make the equation. Okay, students. Till that, complete the exercise number 7.3 and bye bye. Thank you.